Hello, welcome to Swavel. Today I'm going to show you how to make spinach pakoda. These are crispy spinach fritters and are great as an appetizer or an evening snack. I'm using Malabar spinach from my garden, but you can use normal spinach also. Take a big size onion and cut it into thin slices like this. Wash and cut the spinach into thin long slices like this. Add salt, some chili powder, some baking soda, few ajwain seeds, these help with digestion, and we'll need besan or chickpea flour. We'll also need rice flour, which we'll add next. I usually take equal parts of besan flour and rice flour and mix all of it together. Add some water if needed to mix it well, but don't add too much. So this is how it looks like after we mix it. Next, take a wide pan with enough oil for deep fry and heat it up. After that, add your mixture like this and fry them until these turn golden brown. Make sure the oil is hot before adding our pakoda batter. Turn them upside down until they are golden brown on either side. Next, take these out and they're ready to be served. These are very crispy and will be a great evening snack. Do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.